Well, hi friend. This is a super informal video. It is actually late at night and I'm really working on this collection because I'm noticing, I said, my multiples are overflowing. So this video is not going to have a whole lot of edits. It's just real informal, kind of like chatting. I'm letting you guys know what I'm working on at the moment. But before I do that, I need to show you some exchanges that I made with Bath&Body Works. So I have to be honest with myself, you guys. I was not going to wear that Carrot Charm. I was not going to wear Saltwater Breeze. They were not my favorites, okay? I ended up taking them back, as well as Cherry Blossom. I have purchased Cherry Blossom before and took it back, but I keep hearing everybody say, oh, it's so good, it's so good. So I bought it, and it's just not for me. Not saying that it's not good, it's just not for me. So I had 2 full sets I was taking back, and then a body mist, as well as a body lotion. Now, the good thing about it, you know, everything was still around $5.95. When I took those items back in, they did let me exchange the lotion for body butters. And that's what I prefer. So, girl, let's just go ahead. This is the bag. It's late at night and I'm not dressed. That's why I'm not in front of the camera. But I'm going to go ahead and just show you what I did grab. So, of course, I did have to grab another Forever Cherry Blossom. Now, friend, that's my problem. That's my problem. My backups are becoming too much. So I'm going to go through that real quickly too. All right. So Forever Cherry Blossom. I know I really enjoy this scent. So I'm going to wear it. And that's what we do. We curate our collection for us, not according to what somebody else likes. It's what you like, what smells good on you. This smells good on me. And I grabbed it. And I'm like, yes, I will use that. So I did grab a set of that and Touch of Gold. And they did let me get the body butter. So I have 2 body butters and the body wash. So this is wearable for me. This is what I know I will wear and that I love. So with that being said, now I have multiples of these body butters. So I have one of these both in use, but I can kind of go through a body butter pretty good when I'm really focused on it. So I'm happy with this. That's what I wanted instead of lotions. So yeah. So the next thing I wanted to grab was this sweet pea. Someone left a comment, I need to grab a sweet pea before they turn it into a hair and body mist. I'm like, you know what? You're right. I already had the lotion, but I did not have the mist and the body wash. And I don't know if you guys know this, but Versace Still in Purple has a lot of the same notes that Sweet Pea has in it. So they blend together beautifully. So I'm like, I definitely need to do the same because it probably will become a hair and body friend. So I just went ahead and grabbed this set. I only have this one, but I remember back in the day, it was so many scents that I wanted that I didn't have. And I don't know if it's because I'm doing a YouTube channel now and I have so many fragrances. It was hard for me to even find out what I wanted to exchange items for that I didn't want, but because I have everything. And I don't know, but this one was a good option for me too. Touch of Gold is rumored that they may be discontinued, and Forever Cherry Blossom, who knows, they may not ever bring it back, or they might bring it back, they may keep it, I don't know, but I do enjoy that scent. So these were the swaps I made, and I'm much more content in my soul. So if you've been following me for a while, you'll realize I do have limited space, and I'm allowing myself one particular cubicle hole for multiples, and it's running over. So I'm just reevaluating myself, guys, and you all are my accountability partners. I could get a big tote and just put whatever I want in there, but I don't need all of that. I really, really don't. So these are the only everyday luxury items at the moment that I actually have multiples of. And well, nope, let me correct myself. Pink Obsessed, I have more. So we're going to go through items that I have 2 or more of. These are the ones that I only have 1 multiple of at the moment. I may or may not have placed another order when Bath&BODY WORKS ran that flash sale for the $5.95. I may have grabbed another Auto Coconut and Infinite Radiance. I just don't remember what I grabbed at the moment, but I possibly did grab an extra of those two because this Infinite Radiance, y'all, it layers with everything. So does Auto Coconut. Both of those are just perfect for layering combinations. And for $5.95, you can't beat it, and actually lower with the flash sale. But I only have one Midnight Addiction, one Pistachio Glaze, and one Guilty as Fig. So these are the only multiples that I have one of from the Everyday Luxury line. At the beach. So as I'm thinking about this is possibly not the smartest move, because At the Beach is I guess it's one of their classics. It's one that they pretty much have all the time. And I'm like, you know what, girl? Do you need all three of these? So I'm contemplating. I do have a stash for my giveaways for you guys, and I've been slacking on that, but we'll probably do a name at the end of this video. Okay, so make sure you watch all the way through or somewhere in this video. But At the Beach, this is a classic. It's very beautiful. I love it that much where I don't want to be without it. But how soon can I wear these three? And then I have one on the shelf that I'm using right now. It's not really logical, so I may be giving away one of these at the beach. It's just so pretty. I don't know how much lotion and body cream I have of this, but we'll check into that as well. But this one was not a logical multiple in my opinion, because usually you can go in store and just grab one. Two, I feel, is enough, and then I have one on the shelf, so I will probably be giving one of these away. Same with 1,000 Wishes. This is one that's usually in store. I have one on shelf. I'm pretty much almost done with that one. And then I have these two. Why do I have two? I don't know. I'm probably going to hold on to these because I'm just noticing one says Hair and Body, and then one says Fine Fragrance Mist. Girl. Yep, that's why I like to do these videos. I just noticed that. So like I'm saying too, while you're, decluttering, reorganizing, you have to keep an eye on things because things are different. So if I was to give away this Fine Fragrance Mist, I may not have the opportunity to get another one. Pure Wonder, I have 3 and 1 on the shelf. I'm keeping all 3 of these. I don't know if they're turning everything into hair and body mist, friend. Yeah, I'm holding on to these. I actually went on Mercari to grab both of these, so I'm holding on to Tahiti Island Dream. This is a dream. Okay, they're so good. So if I'm a little bit excessive with Tiana. So I actually didn't realize I have 5. I have 1 on the shelf and these 4. And I have went through great lengths to get these 2 from one of you subbies, and then they brought it back. But I'm keeping all 4 of these. I love this scent. It's one of my faves. So I have 2 Sweetheart Cherries. This is one of my faves, and I just went through a bottle. I'm going to go ahead and keep both of these. I don't think I'm being excessive with that. Dressed in White. This new packaging is beautiful. I haven't smelled it, but this is the older one. This is one of my faves too. And I'm like, you know what? I grabbed everything in this packaging because I didn't have an extra cream or lotion to go with this. I only have one for the set that I have now, and I didn't have the body wash either. So I went ahead and grabbed those, and I think I'm going to keep them both. Grandma's Fruitcake. This is a really good scent. I don't know how I ended up with 2 of these. I am contemplating giving one away because I really only wanted 1. I think I was out of town, placed an online order. Then I went in store and picked up 1 just to do a review. And when I got back home, the one that, came in the mail was there. So I have 2 of these. It's a really good scent though. I do like it. I possibly may put 1 in a giveaway. So this is something I didn't realize either. I have 3 different packages of Bahamas passion fruit and banana flower. I'm definitely keeping all 3. I just didn't realize it. I don't know. I have one on the shelf. This is the one that I've been using, and these 2 are my multiples. I love this scent. I don't know. I may have even gotten another one of these. I don't see everything right now, but from what I can tell, I think this is all I have, and this is definitely plenty. But I'm going to go ahead and keep this. So it's rumored they're supposed to be bringing Strawberry Flirt back. I hope they do. I only have one of those. And you guys, I thought I had more than 2 Pink Obsessed as multiples. I only have these 2. It's really all I need. I have one on the shelf, and then I have these 2. So it's okay, but I was thinking I had more. So I do have 3 Forever Reds, but this is one of my favorite scents of all time. I just can't let this go. Plus, I waited for forever to get it. Girl, I'm holding on to these. So while we're here, these are the ones that I have only one multiple of. Forever Cherry Blossom, Touch of Gold, Book Loft, Pink Chiffon, Milk Bar, Birthday Cake, and Pink Cashmere. Platinum Velvet Sugar, Cocoa Paradise, Malibu Heat, Meet Me in Miami, Fiji Sunshine, Guavatini. Whipped Honey and Vanilla, Tropidelic, Everlasting Magic, Forever Sweet, Be Enchanted, and Pastel Skies. Black Cherry Merlot, Blush Cardigan, Strawberry Snowflakes, Buttercups and Berry Bellini, Butterfly, and Whipped Coconut Milkshake. As you guys can see, I'm really not excessive, and I actually have one more set. But I do want to say from this set, I'm going to let go of Buttercups and Berry Bellini because I have one that's pretty much still new, as well as Black Cherry Merlot. I think I'm going to let these 2 go. I have to make a little bit more space. Vanilla Suede, Cinderella, Vanilla Confetti Sparkle, and Sugar Cherry Crisp. Y'all, I'm so happy I can tell you guys that with me removing 4 mist, I am able to fit all of my Bath& Body Works mist into 1 cubicle. Look at that. You guys do not know how happy that makes me. Okay, now we're going to quickly go through my Victoria's Secret. This is my multiples, not the lotions, just the mist. I had to pull those out too. I'm not even sure if I've done a haul on all of this or not. I'm sure I haven't, okay? Some of this is new, but these are multiples that lets you know that I thought it was really, really good for me. That's Cherry Desire, Gelato Oasis, Angel Cake and Cream, Naughty Spice, as well as Coconut and Cream. But expect a haul to be coming on that soon, friend. I'm just waiting on more things to come in. But I'm definitely keeping all of these because, yeah, I only have one and they're just amazing. But I did realize that I actually have multiples of Love Spell Candy. Y'all know that's so good to me. It really, really is. Now, I actually even have an extra body cream. I have one body cream in motion as well as a body mist. I think they're pretty much gone, but I'm okay with that. I have so much. I just have too much. So I'm going to let this set go as well. I don't know if this is going to be included in the giveaway I'm doing today. Y'all know that the post office is tripping about you can only put 16 ounces of perfume in 1 shipping. So I'm not going to be shipping multiples of body mist and everything like that, or perfumes. So the most I can put in a package is 2 body mist or perfumes that, you know, anything equaling under 16 ounces can be shipped safely road, not on plane. So it's a whole bunch to it, you guys. It really is, but we're going to get it worked out. So this is what I'm ending up decluttering today. 1 at the beach, 1 Grandma's Fruitcake, 1 Buttercups and Berry Bellini, 1 Black Cherry Merlot, and 1 set of Love Spell. Really quickly, some things that I do plan on, either they're decluttered. They're going to be decluttered. Either giving them away or I'm going to be putting them on Macari. So as you guys can see, all of this stuff is very new. I may have tested some of them. Some of them I may not have even tested, to be honest. But these, I think they all were tested. I do like them all. And yeah, I'm probably going to be giving these away. This is Pure Seduction Shimmer, Aqua Kiss Vacation. We have a Pink Oh Cutie. I think I had 2 of those. And Bold Body Mist. Here are 2 sets, Pure Seduction Vacation as well as Private Sunday. This is a fine fragrance mist I have not even tested. This is Very Sexy Now. I'm going to add that. This is Juicy Melange. That is a fine fragrance mist from Paris Corner. It does smell good. I did test it. I haven't worn it. These are just things I've been grabbing, you guys. Honey and Blossom. This is a hair perfume by Sand and Fog. We're going to add that. We also have Bare Magnolia. We also have Bare Magnolia. That's just not my scent. It's pretty. It really, really is. And someone had it on and I asked about it and that's what they had on, but it just doesn't smell good on me. And I also have a Wrapped in Vanilla from Dirty Soul Soap. So these are just a few things. I'm not going to put everything up there. I have some perfumes, you guys. It's a lot I got going on over here. As a thank you, for being a true supporter, and I am just picking by people who I recognize, who are always commenting, who are always the first ones there. YouTube has nothing to do with this. This is all on me, things that I've bought, that I've tested or I haven't tested, that I don't mind just giving away, okay? And some of these things will be put on Mercari too, so I'm not sure how I'm going to do it yet, but I do like to make you guys totally aware of what I'm doing. So you guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Let me go ahead and grab those names of who are the winners for today. I know everybody's schedule is crazy and sometimes you just can't watch everything, but I will give you at least 24 to 48 hours to go ahead and contact me by email, and I'll leave my email down in the link. So please make sure that you're watching and that you're contacting me at a good point within the 48 hours. So congratulations to today's winners. There are 2. I'm going to leave the names here. Yes, make sure you email me. I'll leave my email down below, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.